Did you know? What does a cheetah sound like? Unlike lions or tigers, cheetahs don't roar. Instead, they produce a range of unique sounds. One of the most distinct is a high-pitched chirp used to call out to other cheetahs, especially between mothers and cubs. They also purr when relaxed, much like domestic cats. During mating or territorial displays, males yowl, a loud and intense call. When threatened, cheetahs may hiss, growl, or make spitting noises. Cubs often bleat, a sound similar to a lamb's cry to communicate with their mother. Among all big cats, the cheetah's vocalizations are some of the most varied and surprisingly expressive. Fun fact: